Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This time we are going to be doing a quick little throwback, y'all. I wanted to revisit the wig Solana from Sensational. If you have been on my channel for more than 3 years, to go back and see how long that video was. I know it was before 2020, but y'all already know I've already reviewed that wig. I peeped that I reviewed a wig that I didn't even show y'all how I put it on, how I plucked it, how I did whatever I did to her at the time. So yeah, why not revisit her in 2024? Because I know I kind of said I ain't like her. Like, I liked her, but I ain't like her. I think it was the texture and how much she tangled, but that was before I knew how to really maintain a synthetic unit, how I pluck my units now. So revisiting Solana should be pretty interesting. Hopefully Sensational probably changed the way they created the wig, in a sense. Some units you can't go back to and revisit because obviously some of them are discontinued or they revamped it or whatever the case is, but so fortunate that Solana is still available as I am creating this video as of now. I feel like I've been talking about this for some years about pivoting content and whatever the case is. Again, I'm still going to do reviews, still going to do hair reviews and beauty related reviews, but I really just want to I don't know, just see where content and how I feel about certain things take me. As far as, you know, maintaining a presence on YouTube and Instagram, I'm kind of excited about 2024. 2024 feels very light. It feels very fresh. I'm really feeling sure about, all right, this is what I'm gonna do. This is why I'm about to do it. And I'm not about to feel rushed. I'm not about to feel pressured. Everything is on my time. Appreciate you guys for supporting me all these years. If you guys want me to revisit another wig that I've probably done in the past that is still available, y'all let me know in the comment section below and we can talk more about that. Let's get into this review, this show and tell, this tutorial. I'm pretty excited about how this hair is gonna look, so stay tuned, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is Solana. Like I said, she is in the color Flamboyage Chocolate. You see they still saying HD lace. Gonna keep them guessing. We're gonna see how that lace is hitting after so many years. This is what the hairline is giving. It has 2 combs, 2 on the sides, and then they got the extra comb in the back and then adjustable straps. So I'm going to try to recreate the picture that I did when I first did this review. So I'm gonna do a middle part. Y'all, when I tell you this detangling brush is amazing. So this is what the hairline is giving before. Very bulky, very thick, very full, y'all. So I literally was just chanting to myself while I was plucking this wig, was open her up, open her up, open her up, because baby, where's the opening? Where's the opening to this hairline? She needs to be a little bit thinner in the front. I'm not going to fully pluck too much where she is really thinned out, but enough to kind of get some of that bulkiness up off of her, because child. So once again, if you already didn't know, I did review this wig already. Honestly, I see why I was so in love with this wig 5 years ago, because baby, the body, the style of this unit is everything, the color, but of course the hairline, like I'm telling y'all, you gotta open that up. So this part of the video was very tedious. It took me almost 30 minutes to kind of pluck this hairline to my liking, because like I told y'all, it's been 5 years since I've reviewed this wig. So what I know about plucking units now, I would definitely say she is not beginner friendly if you are trying to go for a natural look. Again, hairlines and how you want your wigs to look and sit are all optional, are all what you prefer. But for my girlies that want to have a natural hairline, that wants to open up that hairline in the front, she is going to take you some time to pluck her. That detangling brush that I showed y'all in the beginning, lifesaver. Like, you need a detangler brush for this unit. The texture is still the same, it's still silky. She's very long. I believe I could say that the hair is like maybe 20 to 22 inches long. So with it being silky, with it being long, she is prone to tangle up. She didn't shed, but she did tangle up, and I think that was one of my biggest problems with Solana. As y'all can see, this is what she is giving once I'm opening up that hairline. And as I'm plucking, and before I'm able to kind of take her off the mannequin head, I was just checking around. I did peep that I was making holes in this lace, so I was kind of heavy-handed while I was plucking. So after 30 minutes, I am satisfied with what she is looking like in the front. So right now I am cutting layers into her. In my last video, I didn't cut any layers because, baby, I was not very skilled with the scissors and everything. I love how this hair already came pre-styled. So once you kind of cut layers into this wig, she definitely will lay differently. She's just becoming a different wig right before my eyes, y'all. I feel like layering this wig actually enhanced what this wig was given in the end as well. Overall, I really feel like my thoughts still stand with my old video. Beautiful wig, beautiful gowns, beautiful gown. But the tangling was a mess. It's a mess, y'all. I purchased this wig from Wig Types. I believe she was like $50 at the time, and I believe Wig Types is having like a little sale and stuff. So if you want to check out Wig Types, y'all can. Like I told y'all, I spent my own coin on this, you know, just to even see what type of customer service I was going to get and how long it took this wig to come. So actually everything was pretty good. I bought this wig in September and I'm finally getting around to the review, but that's neither here nor there. I mean, trust me, Sensational has come out with other wigs. I believe it's called the Bare Lace collection. I'm thinking about picking up one of those wigs from their collection pretty soon. As far as the lace go, the lace was pretty average. Again, Sensational has definitely upgraded how their lace is now. This is a old wig, but for this wig to still sit the way it sits, I'm kind of impressed. Like I told y'all, the only con that I had with this was the tangling. The tangling was a no-no. So that concludes today's video. I really liked how I was able to revisit this wig. This wig is extremely cute, but she tangled extremely bad. So I just really appreciate y'all. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know what kind of wigs you guys want to see me revamp or remake or just revisit, because it kind of gave a nostalgic feeling a little. This wig is what kind of in a way catapulted me on YouTube. I just truly appreciate y'all for even tuning in and giving that video the love that y'all gave it, because I definitely didn't even show y'all how I put it on. So the fact that y'all just viewed it off the strength of me just talking about it is amazing. But thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can. That is definitely a free way to support my channel. Let's talk more down in the comment section. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.